Sometimes because I talk so much about being realistic in your art, people have a misconception that my goal or my belief is that everyone should be realistic with their art. That is not at all where I'm coming from. The point of a program like Fantastic Faces in 5 Days or Self Taught to Self Confident, I talk a lot about drawing foundations because I have spoken to countless people who feel like they have a gap in their knowledge, which makes them less confident in their artistic choices in whatever they do. So I have people who are complete abstract artists, some people who are completely realist, and some people who are in the middle. They're in an in between. And all of these people have told me that they sometimes wonder if they're limited by their skill and maybe they're not good enough. I don't want anyone to ever, ever, ever feel that way because we are all capable of developing our skill. Skill is something we can all learn, and then we can take that skill and spend time developing that unique voice and experimenting and being proud of our artistic choices and confident that we're taking risks because we want to, not because we're limited in some way by our skill. That is why I have these programs. So think about that in context of the way that I offer feedback and the way that the content inside the program is presented. I'm talking all about capturing likeness and trying to show you how to see things you might not in your image references or when you look at art from life. And I'm doing that because I want to train your eyes to see those things so that you confidently deviate from realism should that be your jam, right? I want it to truly be about what in your heart you want. I have just found that lots of people secretly believe they should be able to draw realistically before they do anything else in their art or to be fully competent as an artist. And while I think that's a load of bunk, I also know that I can hold beliefs like that myself and we can do something about it. And that is why I'm here.